Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here to share a website with you that I found as a result of my having trouble with my bank, which is an entirely different story. But yes, I've been having trouble with my bank. It actually is the bank and not me. So, in trying to find some affordable nail strips, I came across this website that is directly related to a subscription box that has nail strips. But because of my bank, I can't subscribe. But they have a store that you can shop at and you don't need a subscription. And it's nailfordable.com. Now, they have nail strips for adults, wide nails, toenails, and children. So they have a lot of different sizes available, which is fabulous. And they even show you the differences between the nails, how many strips you get per card, and all of those things. Another great thing about this site is all their nail strips are under $3. So you can't go wrong there. So I did order some. I was able to order there because they had PayPal. I think more sites should have PayPal. So it came in this cute little mailer that says thank you in all these different languages, which I think is very cute. Here's my little packet. Nailfordable. Your nail polish wraps at an affordable price. See, I love saving money. If I don't have to spend, like Dashing Diva, gorgeous nails, gorgeous. But, if you go to their site, they're like 15 bucks for one. Or you can go to Amazon and maybe find them for $8. They're usually on sale at Ulta for $7 or $8, but still $7 or $8 for one. Here is their social. And it did come with, now those are itty-bitty. An itty-bitty nail file and an orange wood stick that you use to push your cuticles back and even to stretch out some of these strips, gently of course. So here are the strips that I got. This one's in a different package. Some little purple, silver, and blue ombre. Some purple hearts for Valentine's. I love these. Little blue flowers. I just thought those were too cute. And, the Olympics are going on. I am a Canadian. I live in Oklahoma, United States, but I am a Canadian citizen. So, why not? I thought those were very cute. So I figured it out at $2.99 a piece times 4. It came out to $11.97, which is cheaper than a subscription. So I am very happy about that. I will get back to you on how well they work. And I wanted to show you my nail here. See the little hearts on there? This is regular nail polish, but the hearts are not. What I did was, whenever I do my nails, I cut the excess length off. So I take tiny scissors and I cut around the edge of my nail and I save them. And then I get a hole punch. Now this one is a heart. I don't know if you can see that in there. Probably not. And then I have a star one. hard to see in there, isn't it? And then I have 3 size dots. See, this is the biggest dot, and then here's the second. And then look how tiny this one is. And what I do is I punch out these extra pieces. And you can put them right on there. Stick them right on, put a top coat on, and you're good to go. You can cut stripes, you can cut waves, you can do whatever you want. But I just wanted to share that with you so that you can use the excess. They won't go to waste. So I save them, and if I have, plain ones like this, I can always put a circle or a small dots, a heart, a star, whatever, just to jazz them up just a little bit more. But I wanted to share that with you, and I am excited to try these. And believe me, I will let you know if they're good or not. But these are the ones that they use in the subscription for chicken nails. So I've heard that chicken nails stickers are pretty good. And me being the person that wants to save money, I am so glad I came across this website. I will let you know. On that note, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.